Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
What is going on, everybody? Max Rock here, back with another vlog. Getting ready to record some videos here. But one of the downsides about recording videos is not really a downside, but you know, you can't really record anything or have anything to talk about or show what you're talking about if all the phones are dead. I had this phone on the charger last night, charging it up, getting ready for tomorrow morning, which is right now. So the phones that I'm going to be using for today's videos, I didn't think to charge those up. Now, granted, you know, one was on 55%, the other one was on like 75, but one of the main ones that I was going to use is on like 7%, and that's not pretty, I mean, that's not really good, you know, to rely on for the course of an entire video, because you already know how that goes. Phones can tell you they got 5% left, and then it just die on you out of nowhere. As far as the Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus, maybe what Samsung did with the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, maybe it's not such of a bad thing. Maybe it's not so much of a bad thing because last year the prices of the phones were, you know, a little bit higher, and this year, and you know, they're around the same, except the trend was that they went up every single year. In this case, they actually went down. So because of Samsung not having such a high price for their phones, are you consider getting one? Me? Probably not, unless I get a crazy deal. I'm always down for a good deal. If I get a good deal, then I'll go ahead and pull the trigger on something, but if it's not a good deal, you know, my money isn't looking straight enough to actually say, you know what, I'm gonna go drop that bread on a flagship phone like the Note 10. Pixel 4 is definitely looking so promising. Shout out to Google for trying to do something a little bit different. They're throwing in another camera, they're adding in Face ID, all that good stuff. So shout out to Google. I'm excited for the Pixel 4. That's the one thing, or that's the one device that I may have to just go ahead and pull the trigger for. Another device that I was thinking about looking at or curious about is the Umidigi A5 Pro. Now, when that device was first announced, or when I first heard about it, it was supposed to be priced at $100, and right now I see it on Amazon, and they got it at $129. So, me being a person that I am, I know I can get it on AliExpress and GearBest, those websites or those services, and get the device for about $100. But in this case here, being that it's oh, big bee. Listen, man, I don't play with bees, yo. I got stung by a bee when I was a little kid, and I don't ever want to get stung by it again. I got stung in the ear, so that's why. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I don't want to pay $130 for a phone when it's $100 on another website. So I'm going to see if they actually drop the price of it to about $100. Maybe get a sale on it out of nowhere. You know how it goes. And then I'll go ahead and pull the trigger on it. But right now, it's a no for me. And the reason why I'm excited about it, or I'm looking into it, is because it has that triple camera setup on the back, has a full HD touchscreen display. I'm not excited about the processor at all. But it does have 4 gigs of RAM. I believe it has 32 gigabytes of internal storage, and it has like a teardrop notch style, so definitely a positive there. So we back here, and just want to let you guys know I just got done shooting a full review video for a phone that I had for about going on 2-3 months now. Should have had the full review video out on the channel, but I never actually got around to doing it, so I just got that done recently. I'm currently inside the car right now, chilling. I'm trying to brainstorm or think about what video I'm going to do next. I kind of want to shoot it inside the car, but then I'm trying to think of the most comfortable position for me to be in and minimize the noise. Of course, I can go inside the house, but you know, sometimes you just want to get outside and do a video because it feels better just walking around as opposed to just sitting in one spot. I'm one of those people that when I work, I like to be active. I like to be moving around a lot, so that's pretty much why I can't do like stationary things too long. I can't really sit still too long because it's not ideal for me. I can do it, but it's not ideal. Like, I'm not the most comfortable when I'm sitting still. I'm thinking about doing a what's on my Android. Got my Nikon camera here on me because I'm about to get ready to do some B-roll. I got to shoot the B-roll for the Moto G7 Power for the full review. A couple other video ideas are definitely in motion as well. It's just a matter of me getting it together. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this part of the video off, and I'll see you guys in the next part. So I just literally got done shooting the speed test videos for the Galaxy J3 Orbit and A10e, and then I did another one with the A10e and the G6 Play, devices that are just recently updated to Android 9 Pie, and one that's out the box Android Pie. I was pretty excited about the J3 Orbit and the A10e because those phones are very close as far as specs goes, and I was kind of happy about doing that test there. But the G6 Play one was kind of one of those ones where I was thinking that it could keep up with it, but you know, it's a speed test, doesn't mean nothing at the end of the day.
What?
I'll probably make a good, you know, good extended vlog here between today and tomorrow, so that it's not just all one day. You know, make things a little bit more interesting. So until then, I'll be out. So what's going on? This is probably like, yeah, this is day number 2 in between shooting videos and getting this vlog and everything put together for you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys exactly how it is and what it is I do to get these videos done, where do I find the time, and how do I actually do it. So early in the mornings on my off days, I'm recording videos like I am right now, and I try my best to get as many edited on those days as possible. Now, it doesn't always work out like that. I usually end up having to edit videos nights when I get off of work. Not really a big deal, you know, not much of a hassle, to be honest with you, but I do try my best to get my videos shot on my off days, because it'll make things a lot easier than having to worry about recording when you get out of work, unless you have a dedicated studio. I don't have a dedicated studio as of yet, so I'm pretty much working outside, working inside, working whenever I can work at to get the videos done. Currently, I am in the midst of recording, you know, several videos for today. Videos that I need to do, and then there are videos that I want to do. So that's pretty much one of the harder things about being a YouTuber, because you can easily make a video that will be trendy and will get a lot of views, but most of the time it's not nothing that I really genuinely want to make, and so that's why I don't really make them. It's like a very rare occurrence where it's like, okay, I absolutely want to make this video, and this will happen to be trendy. You know, it's very rare that happens, if you ask me. Me personally, there are videos that I probably should have been made that I didn't make, and that hopefully if I make them today, it gets the response that I wanted to get. So I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed with that one there. But yeah, this is like pretty much the next day here, giving y'all a little bit more for the vlog later on tonight. And I'm probably gonna put this vlog out, I'm guessing maybe either later on today or tonight. It just all depends on when I want to put it out. And yeah, it'd be pretty much like into the future here, because it is currently August 13th, and or is it August 12th? I don't know, one of the two. Early in the morning, and you're probably going to be seeing this video later on in the day, so you're going to be pretty much in the future. So deuces, y'all. I primarily shoot from an iPhone 6s, and I have a DSLR camera. So quick little tip for me, you don't need a super high powered camera for making videos here on YouTube. Now, if you want to take your production to the next level, then of course you would need it then, but you don't need that. Use an iPhone, use an Android, get your little tripod, keep the actual phone steady, so that the only thing is moving is either your arm or you walking around. Good morning, good morning. It's just a new day here, and pretty much gonna close out the vlog video. I'm probably gonna finish editing up today, being Wednesday, August the 14th. Got several videos in the works right now. Literally just have to finish them up, put the finishing touches on them, and then they should be straight, they should be good. Full review for the G7 Power is coming later this week. Stay on the lookout for that. Today is probably just going to be a chill day for me, and I may end up putting out the vlog video tomorrow. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see anything in particular as far as vlogs go in a future video or in a future vlog. I'll be sure to try my best to incorporate that into the video. Be sure to share it with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Peace.